Namaste dear students, welcome to SMS Classes. So let's get started. So in this video, we are going to see second PUC Biology's chapter number 3, that is Reproductive Health, highly important questions. So basically, this video is made for those students, those who are struggling to pass in second PUC, those who just want to pass and clear this second PUC period, or those who also want to pass with a good percentage. For those students, this notes is made. Okay, basically the big notes is converted into one page notes, as you can see, in which the highly important topics are written, from which the important questions will be asked in your Karnataka PU board. But if you are that student, those who want to pass this second PUC with a distinction rank, the separate video is made for you guys. The I button is shown over here. You guys can just click and visit that video. Okay, right now let me not waste the time. Let me start and say you guys the important topics. Okay, yeah, so first of all, please remember for 3 marks about MTP. For 3 marks they may ask you about MTP. Remember the definition and when MTP is safe and why this MTP is done. For 3 marks, these 3 things you have to remember. Then remember the 3 types of natural contraceptive methods. Those are periodic abstinence, withdrawal method, and lactational amenorrhea. Okay, then you remember one problem and one strategy of reproductive health. The problem is the overpopulation and the strategy is having sex education. Then you remember one of the example of oral contraceptives, that is progesterone, estrogen, and in that you remember the pill which is used once in a week is Saheli. Okay, and you remember the 2 types of surgical methods. Those are vasectomy and tubectomy, also known as the permanent methods of contraception. Also remember for 3 marks about IUDs, the definition and the 3 types with the examples. Okay, remember for your exam this about IUDs is highly important. Then for 2 marks or for 3 marks they may ask you to write the features of ideal contraceptives. So I have written the features. Please do remember this also. MCQs section they may ask you the full form of ART, IVF, ET, ZIFT, GIFT, IUT, AI, ICSI. Remember this also for your MCQs section. Okay, also I have not written one more important thing here. If possible, please also remember about the process of IVF ET. I have not written in this notes, but I have written this in this video. If you want, you can go there and try to study that also. Okay, for 1 mark, remember the definition of amniocentesis. Also remember some types of sexually transmitted disease, in short STDs. And for MCQ section, this is important, that is the STDs, those are not curable. Remember these 2 types of STDs, this AIDS and genital herpes. Also note that the popular brand of condom is Nirod. Okay, so your chapter ends. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, you stay till the end. SMS classes, yeah, we teach and we blend. Learning for free, yeah, we breaking the chain. Every subject clear, no stress, no pain. Maths or science, we got that flow. Hit subscribe now, let your knowledge grow. SMS classes, learn simple, score better.